Today we're making homemade bread, and honestly, I started making it because groceries have gotten so expensive lately. I figured if I can learn to make bread at home, maybe it can help save a little money. And if I can do it, you absolutely can do it. This recipe is simple, beginner-friendly, and uses just a few basic ingredients. And let me tell you, there is nothing like the smell of fresh bread baking in the house. So before we get started, I'd love to know, have you ever made homemade bread before? Or is this your first time too? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoy cozy budget-friendly meals, easy recipes, and real-life cooking, make sure to hit that button and come hang out with me here at Cook with Kristina. Alright friend, let's make some bread. Okay, to get started, we're going to add 2 cups of warm water to a bowl. Next, I have 1 packet of instant dry yeast. Now, if you're pulling out of a jar, you can do 2½ teaspoons. We're going to give this a good stir until it dissolves. Next, we'll add our King Arthur bread flour. I'm going to add 5½ cups of bread flour. Next, we're going to add a little bit of salt. I'm doing a few pinches here. If you'd like the measurements, probably about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half salt. And we're just going to incorporate all our ingredients. Remember, this is a no-knead dough. Just to gently mix it. I'm going to mist it here with just a little bit of olive oil to give it some more hydration. Then we'll just gently mix. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. We'll then cover it with a towel for about an hour or an hour and a half till it doubles in size. Once it doubles, we're going to take it out of the bowl and we're going to put it on some lightly floured parchment paper. No need to do anything fancy with it. Just kind of shift it and shape it a little bit. Now we're going to put it in a pan of your choice. I've got this loaf pan. Okay, we're going to cover for another 30 minutes, and then we're going to pop it in a preheated oven at 410 degrees for 30 minutes. All right, friend, here it is, fresh out of the oven, and I honestly still can't believe I made homemade bread for the first time. I wish you could smell it. This bread is perfect with butter, soups, chili, sandwiches, spaghetti, honestly anything. And the best part, it's made with simple ingredients. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments what you ate your bread with, because I need ideas too. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy comfort food, budget-friendly recipes, and cozy kitchen chats. Have a great day.